Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy a domain here on Squarespace. Let's begin. Buying a domain on Squarespace is simple, and you can either buy a new domain directly through their platform or transfer an existing domain. Now, I'm already here on the website builder, and what I'm going to do is exit that. Going to click on home. I'm going to click on the profile icon because that would lead me to the dashboard, and there's going to be an option here that says domains. There's two sections. You can transfer a domain, which we are going to do that later, but for now we're going to click on this option that says get a domain. What will happen is you would be forwarded to this specific section here, and you can start your domain name search on this search bar right here. So what I'm gonna do is start the name for my domain. I'm gonna click on the forward button, and I'll be forwarded to this page wherein these are gonna be the domains that you can buy. All right, so it says $14, 20. It's on sale. It's 20, but if you want it a little bit cheaper, you can choose from any of these options. Right, so you're not limited. But of course, if you wanted to load more, the domain is going to be dependent on the price. If you wanted to load more, you can do that as well. So there's a lot that you can choose from here. But for now, we're sticking to the $20, which is going to be the exact match. And that's how to buy a domain on Square.space. If you want it, just click on this specific button, and you would be forwarded to the checkout page, wherein all I have to do now is hover to the checkout process, and you need to fill in some details before you can proceed. All right, so the term length is going to be 1 year, but of course you can put in the 3 years, 4, 5. So if you can have like an indefinite time, you might want to do so. For example, that's going to be 10 years. You'd notice that the estimated total has changed already, right? Now, as you can see, the registration term ensures a domain ownership and lock in the current price for the number of years selected by choosing a multi-year term. That means it's not going to change for the rest of 10 years, okay? Now, if you're happy with that, it renews every September 30th on, let's say, 2034 at $20 annually plus applicable taxes. If you're happy with that, all I have to do is click on save and continue. Now here, all I have to do is put in your information such as your address, your phone number, and a lot more, and then save and continue. Now, the last part of the process of buying a domain on Squarespace is gonna be the payment information. Okay, so you don't have to worry because all your payment information is securely submitted. You have the option for the PayPal, and you will be redirected to PayPal to select your payment method, or you can use a credit or debit card. All you have to do is fill in the card holder name, and that's going to be, and put in your card number, expiration date, and the CVC, right? All I have to do is click on save and continue, and that's that. All right, now that is buying a domain here on Squarespace. How about transferring a specific domain? Now, I went back to the domain section. I'm going to click in transfer a domain. What will happen is you would be forwarded here, wherein you need to enter your domain to get started. For example, I'm going to type in my website. I'm going to click on forward. What will happen is, now the thing is, before you transfer, okay, you need to check your current register and prepare your domain for transfer. Remember that domains can take up to 15 days to transfer, all right? Get the authorization code, save and continue. And again, at the last part of the process is going to be the payment process, okay? And again, if you choose an annual Squarespace plan, you'll get a free domain for the first year, which can be a cost-saving option when starting a new website. Now, you can manage your domain, website, and hosting from one central location, simplifying your online operations. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.